Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine, free up about 20 GB, plug into power, and prefer Ethernet for stability. Once ready, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates to initiate scanning. You do this now because detecting updates first lets Windows queue downloads and avoid partial installs. Make sure to close resource-heavy apps. This reduces reboot conflicts. After Windows lists available updates, choose Download or Install, and move to the next stage without delay. You watch the download progress and use pause/resume if your network spikes. This helps avoid corruption. Once the download reaches 100%, Windows will prepare and then install. This step can take 60+ minutes depending on update size. You should allow multiple reboots. The system may restart several times automatically. If you're busy, schedule the restart for off hours using restart options. Make sure to save all work before a forced reboot, and keep the device plugged in during installation to prevent. You finalize by checking the new build. Press Win+R, type WinVer, and confirm the version number. Once updated, verify drivers and run Windows Update again to pick up leftover patches. If installation fails, run the built-in Update Troubleshooter from Settings. It automatically detects common issues. If that doesn't work, free disk space with Disk Cleanup, disable third-party antivirus temporarily, and retry. As a last resort, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade. This preserves files while repairing Windows Update components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.